What is going on, guys? So today I got a simpler video, but I'm going to show you how to create folders in Drive, move things into folders in Drive, and yeah, just a few ways of how to do that. And just so you can organize your Google Drive and organize the documents you keep on the cloud so you can access them from any device pretty much. I like to do this, so I like to keep things organized. So how to do this, how to create a folder. First off, you can just simply right click anywhere in your Google Drive that's not a document itself, so like in white space, and you can just create new folder. If you already have the folder you want to upload, you can click on this, but for now I'm just going to click on new folder, testing folder, that's what I'm going to name this, and then click create. So if I want to move stuff into this testing folder, I can right click on any document and then click move to, or any file rather, it doesn't have to be a document. Click on that, click on my drive, and then I can see testing folder. So I'm just going to click on that and then click move. And inside testing folder is now test document. If I go back here, this is just in suggested, but it's actually not in the files anymore, so that's pretty cool. Another way how to move stuff in is you can just simply drag it in. It's cool how Google added this in, makes it much easier. It's been moved in, and you can also do one other thing. So I'm going to go back to my drive here, and if I want to move to a folder, I can actually scroll down a little bit. I can actually add a new folder within testing folder. So if I click go to testing folder, I can see the documents inside it. I can add a new folder here. So sub folder, and then I can click move here. So now that'll go in a folder inside of this folder. Quicker way of doing it instead of manually creating it and dragging inside. So those are just like a few shortcuts on how to organize yourself in Google Drive. Very simple video, I understand, but it helps. So hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.